week at P8FX, we take a look into one of our top travel stocks. Is Airbnb about to reign supreme? Let's find out. Airbnb was founded in San Francisco in 2007, and in 2020 it was launched via an IPO onto the stock market. They currently have 4 million hosts in 220 different countries and regions, and their mission is to create a world where anyone can belong anywhere. Originally, Airbnb was offering accommodation on a short-term basis only, and now they offer stays for up to 28 days, business trips, experiences, home sharing services, and mixed work and travel trips. Let's take a look at their finances from Q2 2021. 83.1 million nights and experiences were booked, which is 29% up from Q1 2021, and revenue came in at $1.34 billion. Q2 2021 revenue increased nearly 300% year over year, which is of course no surprise, and exceeded Q2 2019 by 10%. In addition, Airbnb reported adjusted earnings before interest, tax, and other expenses of $217 million, which was well above the analysts' predictions. Airbnb shares are currently trading at 30% less than the all-time high in February 2021. And support can be found around the $130 mark. And as with all IPOs, time was needed for price to stabilize. Let's take a look at their competitors. The travel industry has suffered tremendously as a result of the pandemic, and similar patterns in financial data can be seen within their competitors. Airbnb has established a positive correlation with Booking.com and Expedia after only such a short time on the stock market. With many people preferring to stay in homes rather than in hotels, could Airbnb break away from the rest? Let's take a quick look at some data from hotels. 2021 Q1 revenue growth at Marriott was minus 51%, and at Hilton minus 54%, but at Airbnb only minus 5%. Those that are making trips feel safer in private accommodations as less interaction is needed. Staying on a home means less contact with employees and holidaymakers. The pandemic and looking to the future. In its letter to shareholders, the company explained that they are expecting volatility as a result of the COVID-19 Delta variant. They expect Q3 to deliver its strongest quarterly revenue on record. However, it expects less experiences and nights booked to be less than of Q2 and Q3 2019. Airbnb has put its focus on preparing for the travel rebound, which includes educating the world about what makes Airbnb different, recruiting more hosts, and setting them up for success. In addition, simplifying the guest journey and delivering world-class services in 42 languages. Our final thoughts. Airbnb has navigated its way through this pandemic in a realistic manner and have managed to adapt quickly to stay relevant and accessible. Travel habits have changed more rapidly than anticipated, which is great for Airbnb. Hosted accommodation has become a favorite option due to the lack of risk in COVID exposure compared to that in hotels. Technically, we can see patterns forming, support being found, and price has had time to settle since the IPO in December. Thank you for listening. We hope you found that useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Bye-bye.